Experiencing issues with your AT&T service today? First, let's confirm if there's a widespread outage. The quickest way is to check the official AT&T app or website for reported issues in your area. You can also use third-party sites like Down Detector to see if other users are reporting problems. Keep in mind that even without a major outage, localized issues can occur. Recent reports indicate that while AT&T claims 99.9% uptime, users in urban areas like New York and Los Angeles are still experiencing signal strength issues. Before diving deep into complex solutions, try these simple initial troubleshooting steps for your AT&T service. For mobile service issues, start with these basic steps. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset your phone's cellular connection. Second, simply restart your phone to clear any temporary software glitches. For home internet problems, power cycle your modem and router. Simply unplug both devices for 30 seconds, then plug them back in to reestablish the connection. According to AT&T's troubleshooting guide, power cycling resolves about 40% of reported issues. This simple process helps clear temporary glitches and reestablish a stable connection to the AT&T network. If power cycling didn't resolve your mobile data issues, try resetting your network settings. This can clear corrupted configurations and restore connectivity. For iOS devices, navigate to Settings, then General, followed by Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset Network Settings. This menu will show the Reset Network Settings option on your iPhone screen. On Android, the exact path depends on your device model, but typically go to Settings, then General Management or Connections. Select Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Be aware that resetting network settings will delete all saved Wi-Fi passwords and other network configurations. Make sure you have your passwords written down before proceeding. After the reset completes, manually reconnect to your mobile data network and check if the connectivity issue has been resolved. For home internet problems, start by inspecting all cable connections to your modem, router, and wall jacks. Make sure they are securely plugged in to avoid loose connections. Damaged or loose cables can cause connectivity issues. If you suspect a faulty cable, try replacing it with a new one. If you have fiber optic service, be extra careful with the fiber cable, as it's more delicate than regular cables. Also, consider the location of your router. Avoid placing it near microwaves or dense objects that can cause interference. Wi-Fi extenders can help eliminate dead zones by boosting the signal to areas where coverage is weak. Double-check your AT&T account status by logging in online or through the app to confirm your bill is paid and you haven't exceeded your data cap. Ensure your device's operating system and AT&T app are up to date, as outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues and performance problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your mobile service issues, check your SIM card physically. Start by powering off your phone completely. Remove the SIM card from its slot and inspect it closely for any visible damage, like scratches, bends, or corrosion. If the SIM card appears damaged, it may need replacement. Reinsert the SIM card carefully into the slot, ensuring it's properly aligned, then power your phone back on. If you experience ongoing hardware issues with your AT&T equipment, like modems or routers, these devices may need professional attention. Contact AT&T customer support to arrange for equipment replacement if you're eligible. Replacements can be obtained through AT&T retail stores or ordered online for convenient pickup or delivery. If you've tried all the basic troubleshooting steps and your AT&T service is still not working, it's time to contact AT&T support. You can reach them via phone, online chat, or the AT&T app. AT&T offers several ways to get help. You can call their 24/7 customer support line, use online chat for technical assistance, or access the AT&T app with its AI assistant named Andy. When contacting support, be prepared to provide specific details about your issue, the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted, and your account information to help resolve the problem quickly. AT&T's customer support handles over 10 million calls each year, and their AI chatbots now resolve a significant portion of customer inquiries automatically. AT&T is investing heavily in upgrading its network infrastructure with a $20 billion plan to achieve 100% fiber optic coverage nationwide by 2030. This fiber optic expansion will reduce reliance on older copper lines that are more prone to outages and provide faster, more reliable connections. AT&T is also rapidly expanding its 5G network to deliver faster speeds and lower latency for connected devices. If you have the option, consider upgrading to fiber or 5G to improve your internet speeds and reliability. Additionally, AT&T is exploring edge computing and satellite integration to enhance network resilience and reduce outage durations.